Today, I'm going to be sharing an unboxing video with you. I am partnering with OAS Mobility, and they have sent me the OAS Air Ultra wheelchair. This thing is so cool. It is lightweight, it's foldable, and it is super powerful. As you can see, Chris has taken everything out of the box that came with this wheelchair. It comes about 90% already put together, so it's not going to take him too long to get everything assembled. And it's really not very heavy. Even with the batteries, you're looking at about 44 pounds. When you remove the two batteries, each battery weighs about 4 pounds. You're left with about 36 pounds for the actual wheelchair. This wheelchair has a 15-mile capacity with the two batteries. Once one battery runs out, you can switch to the second battery. And the batteries are TSA approved, so you can fly with this wheelchair. They're both lithium batteries. This is a really strong wheelchair. It can hold up to 300 pounds, and the seat is 17.8 inches wide, and it has a memory foam cushion, so it's very comfortable, and it'll be great for long trips where you're going to be riding in the chair for extended amounts of time. And this chair is good for right or left-handed persons. You can put the controller on whichever side is most comfortable for you. It has a 360-degree joystick, meaning you can drive it with one hand and steer in any direction with smooth, accurate control. It has a built-in LED light and a USB charger, so you can charge your phone while you're riding the wheelchair, which is so cool because that is something that will come in handy when you're on the go and traveling. That LED flashlight will be great in parking garages and dimly lit parking areas for sure. Now he's unboxing the cup holder. That is such a great thing to have on a wheelchair. You don't realize how much you need that until you have a wheelchair that does not have one. This is the anti-tip wheels that he's installing on the back of the wheelchair right now, and that is a great feature. It helps you to stay steady and even on uneven ground and protects you from tilting and rolling back. And now he is installing the batteries. There's one for each side, and there is a power button on each one of the batteries that you need to keep on at all times. Now he's unboxing the remote control. This is one of the neatest features. He can control this to move the wheelchair around, like when he's getting ready to put it in the car after I've used it, or once he takes it out of the trunk and wants to bring it to me, he can use the remote to steer it directly to me. It also includes these little bags for your charger, and it also has a little toolkit that you can use if you need to make any adjustments to the wheelchair. Just another little thoughtful touch that's included. And this is my first time trying it out. It is so cool. It handles really well. It'll turn on a dime. It is just a really fun wheelchair to drive. As you can see in the corner, there's my bigger, more bulky wheelchair that I've been using, and this is such a refreshing change because it's not so heavy. It's not going to be hard to get in and out of the car. As you see here, my husband's taking and folding it up and getting ready to put it in the back of. I have a Subaru Forester. It's a little small SUV, and we had no problem fitting the wheelchair right into the back of it. It folds right down. He can fold down the top part of the chair too, so it's not too high. And, you know, it's lightweight. Without the batteries, it would only be 36 pounds. With the batteries, the way that he is going to put it into the car, it's about 44 pounds. Still not super heavy, and it doesn't require a wheelchair lift for your vehicle. So if you don't have that, that's an extra expense that with a traditional electric wheelchair you would have to have. I also want to mention that you can cut off the electric functions for the wheelchair and manually push it also. As you can see here, he's demonstrating the remote control. It is so cool, a really neat feature. Here I'm enjoying a shopping trip and able to move about freely around the shelves with no problem. It turns perfectly and it has plenty of power to get across the road when you need to and get up a ramp without any issues. If you think you would like a wheelchair like this, I'm going to leave it linked in the comments and use my code Audrey35. That will give you $35 off of a purchase on the OAS Mobility website. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe. I have a series coming up with my new adventures in this wheelchair. We're going on a Caribbean cruise that will last for 10 nights and we're going to be taking this wheelchair and testing it out in 4 different ports. So it's going to be a lot of fun and I would love for you to join in on this adventure with me. Thank you.